make sure you watch till the end for this insane recovery of this hard drive. It's going to be an insane recovery. I want all of you to watch until the very end of this video. Okay? So, stay tuned for more. Hello everyone, it's Penguin Playz here, back for another video. And today I found this nice hard drive, pretty heavy, right? And I was thinking, of doing like, a tutorial on how to, like, get into one of these and, maybe even like repair it, right? So, you gotta get a really weird screw out. You gotta get, really close and get, those screws out, They're gonna be a little hard because, they need, a weird kind of screwdriver. But, a weird kind of, they're a weird shape. They're not, Phillips or, flat head, This is actually, a pretty heavy hard drive, right? Pretty heavy, That shook the camera. But anyways, you just take the screws out, Because, you want to see, get inside, see what's, damaged about it, right? Uh-oh, I'm flying. So for this particular hard drive, there's 5 screws on the back you gotta take out. Right? And, a little PCB comes off just like that. Right? You can just put that aside for now. And, we got a little thing here. I don't see any more screws I can take out on this side. And then, we can just take a crack at it and just, gotta take, ooh, that's kind of hard. They're pretty, screwed in there, aren't they? Ah, there we go. Finally. Well, let's just move these screws aside so we can put it back together at the end of the video. So, we just open up the hard drive. Right? And then, there's 2 of them gone. I was like looking at, the labels, right? And I don't see anything of, voiding a warranty or anything, not that it has one. So this is clearly within the warranty, right? So it should be all fine. So that's why we're repairing it, because, we're taking a look inside. Okay, we got all 6 screws out on the front side, and now we're gonna try and like crack it open, see what's inside it. Uh-oh. How do you get in? Is there something underneath this? Let's see. All right. Oh, there are some more screws. No way. Okay, well, let's just Alright. Even more screws I gotta take out. This is insane. They were hidden from me. Why would they do that? It's weird. Never thought they would hide screws there. You see this fragile, do not drop handle with care. I'm handling it with quite a lot of care. I haven't dropped it recently. And once you get the screws out, hopefully now it'll come off. Ooh, that sounded good. All right. It's coming open. Sorry. Uh-oh. There's a lot of glue in here. What do you mean? Oh, there's that little... Okay, there's a sticker there. And then you got this little thing you can go. Ooh. This is really cool right here. You know. And ooh. Sounds cool. I think there's some screws here I could probably take out. How do I? I can't do it. That's too hard. Those are so tiny. Oh wow. I think it's because the thing's magnetic. Let me take a look and figure out which screws I need for this. So I found this article, alright, and it had a picture of, hard drive just, laying in there. So I figured might as well do it. So I've already written like a little bit of subscribe, and we're gonna think about working on, like a YouTube logo or something. Alright, well, I feel like that looks pretty good, You can't really tell. Oh, there's the YouTube logo. Can you see the subscribe? You can see a little bit of the sun. Anyways, I guess I'll work on putting it back together, and then, April Fools. Uh-oh. So, you should never open up a hard drive, because dust will get in and destroy the hard drive. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this April Fool's prank of me opening up a hard drive and pretending like I'm going to repair it. Stay tuned. Go watch, more videos on my channel. Click somewhere like over here to subscribe. I want you to click subscribe. And also, after you're done subscribing, somewhere like over in here, there's going to be a recommended video for you. Just for you. And you should go watch it. It's going to be a recommended video of my channel. And I want you guys to go comment down, leave a like on the video, comment down and below if I had you trick that, tricks for this April Fool's video at any point in the whole thing. So, thank you guys for watching again. Stay tuned next time for more epic content. See ya!